from Kansas City to Disney, Oklahoma, also called Disneyland, and it's for Disneyland for off-roaders. So gonna have a little bit of fun today. Gonna be showing off some brand new wheels from Hards Metal, dipping them in the water for the first time, trying to mount on some rocks, and then we're also going up to do a drone recovery. Drone recovery is going to be led by, she's done by Brian, and it's been really awesome. Been talking to him for a while. We've got some ideas, plans of attack, but we're actually going to try to use another drone. I'm going to try not to lose this one and use it as recon, try to fly above the trees, try to find it, and if I can find it and pinpoint it, he's going to climb up there and get it for us. So that's going to be another thing. And then I'm going to have a friend with me. He's going to be driving around a little bit for me as well, so we can get you guys some cool motion shots in the water, driving up to the dam. Got a lot of things planned. We'll just see how much we can do, and something a little bit different. Again, I just call this drone recon mission. And we're also going to be, while we're there, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we pick up after ourselves as well as others. Try to fill up at least one trash bag while we're on the trails, and we'll see how much we can accumulate through the day.
Welcome to Burger King with ice.
Yes,
okay.
I'm sorry.
Anything else?
That's going to be all for today.
772, second window.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Drone was over 60 feet up in the air, went 15 miles an hour, slammed right into a tree, and we're in a forest. Trying to be very careful. Decided to come back down and look for my CB radios and stuff so we could talk to each other and try to direct where we thought it was going to be. Got to the base of this little hill, and my buddy's like, I found it. So we're going to work our way back down, or I'm sorry, back up to see where this drone is. It was like 60 feet up in the air. It's been out in the elements for 3 weeks, so now it's time to go see where it's at. You have to be kidding me.
We walked right under it.
Oh my goodness. There. It's got all the propeller still on it. I'm 6 foot tall and I can almost reach it. I'm probably going to jump up and get it so it doesn't break. Probably have my buddy below to try to catch it in case I miss the catch. But there it is. We'll be probably sending it off to DJI to check on it. But it hit really hard. It's fallen. Over 3 weeks it came all the way down. I also want to say before I get to this, we'll probably go to his shop right now, but his name is Brian. Tree's done by Brian. He's been awesome. He brought out a whole crew looking for it, did like 40 yards of searching for it, and here it is. So I also want to thank my buddy Gary for finding this. And again, it's right there, but it would have been way 60 feet up. So we're gonna get our drone recovery. Excited. And all of our footage that we had for Crawford for Christ 2019 is intact. I can see the door is still there, so there should be no damage. So have almost 3 days of coverage for you guys. I can't wait to get a hold of and see what we captured. So again, thanks for watching Jeeps Rock. Awesome experience. Was on pretty low trying to figure out what we were going to do next, but my buddy turned around and there it was. So here we go.